If you are using canned grape leaves, which are typically salty, I would recommend soaking them for about 1 hour and then rinsing them off. While the leaves are soaking, I prepared 1.5 pounds of meat. I also put in 1 cup of rice and a desired amount of salt and my desired amount of pepper. For my dish, I used ground turkey, chicken, and veal. Also, while the grape leaves are soaking, chop up onions, cilantro, and prepare some dried plums if you have them. Also, slice 2 potatoes into 1/2-inch rounds. Also, prepare some chickpeas. Now it's time to roll the meat up into the grape leaves. Do what is shown on screen. Now I have all my grape leaves ready to cook. Caramelize the onions and saute all of the other vegetables that we chopped up earlier. Use about 2 tablespoons of oil to do this. Now add in the potatoes. Layer in the grape leaves one by one on top of the mixture that we already sauteed. Add in boiling hot water until the leaves are mostly submerged. Add a ceramic dish on top of the leaves so that they stay submerged. Once the water starts boiling, lower the heat and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Take it off and now it's done.